All right, my apologies. This is not the video with that very cool thing that I was going to show you, and I'm going to still show you, I hope, if it works out right. But what I did want to show you, because this is very important, this is what's going to make a professional looking job as opposed to a junky looking job, okay? Simply putting tape, marking the tape so that I took the thickness 3/4 inch of this wood and just continued that line around here so that if this drawer happens to be pulled out just a little bit, you'll still be seeing the dark gray from the front, okay? And it's a nice straight line so that when you do open the door, it looks planned, right? And not just ugly brush strokes or whatever. So this is what I've learned after doing this kind of stuff for 10 years, that what's going to make it look like a super duper job, okay? And I'm getting ready, I got to wipe these down still with denatured alcohol and put the gray on these and the cabinet doors. All right, see you in a bit.